Good morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever time it is you're watching this. Brian with Grand Roofing bringing you a question. I want to show you something right up here real quick and then ask you why something was done the way it was. Take a second, let me know down below. I am down in Indianapolis, Indiana, about an hour, 45 minutes south of my home area where I typically work. Looking this roof over, saw something rotted right here, and I want to ask you guys a question because I know things can be done differently and terminology is different based on where you're from, you know, from city to city, state to state. So let me switch the camera around and let me ask you what your thoughts are. So this board right here, this fascia board, I gotta stay low because the sun's blinding the camera if I go up. It's kind of rotted and there's edge metal back here, but my question is why is there trim, a wood trim piece outside of the edge metal? Right here, you can see where it's all rotted away. This all needs to be replaced, but at some point somebody either added the trim over it, or I'm guessing possibly maybe an incompetent roofer or somebody not paying attention just shoved the edge metal down in between the two, but it's clearly behind it all the way down and over there. In my opinion, what needs to happen is all this has got to come off, get replaced, whoever does it, get the edge metal yanked out, put new edge metal on, overhang your shingles like it's got, but not add trim behind it. So let's just do a real quick walk over and check over some other spots out on this real quick. But yeah, let me know down below. Let me jump up over here real quick and run around. By the way, the telescoping ladder, you gotta check it out. All right, let me run down over here. Let's check the other side because it's Yves, Gable over here. So let's go reach over the edge and see what we can see. All right. Oh, wow, this one's different. So there is the trim piece, edge metal, then the shingle. Let's run flush on this one though. Just happened to notice something right down here. Let's go a little closer to this down here and look at something. Incompetent roofers. People not paying attention to which way water flows, like down. Right here. That's the low eave side. This is lapped backwards. Really bad if you're an installer, and let me show you why. When you're on an edge, if you don't pre-cut your lead, you put your shingles down and you slice it. When you're coming down here with a knife, oh dang, you gotta watch out because that will lay you open. But why it's wrong, the lesson here, why it's backwards, yeah, water does run, I mean, the majority of the rain's gonna hit the roof and drip off or run down the roof, but what does come onto this is gonna trickle, follow the path of least resistance, right behind this piece, then into your wood. Shingles start roofing low, go up. Same with edge metal. You start low, you go up. You also, it's not a good practice to put small pieces down the bottom. We typically run full sticks all the way. If you need a piece, you'll wrap your piece up on the high gable in there. Anyways, just a quick question on why. I don't know. If you could, fill it in down below, comment down below, let me know why it's done backwards over there. Why the edge metal is down and then the trim on it. I don't get it. If you could, just give me a quick response. Let me know. Again, as I said, it's Indianapolis. Things are different down here, maybe. Anyway, until next time, be safe. Appreciate you commenting down below. We'll see you on the next one.